and welcome back to my channel, XOXL. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below for more videos like this at least once a week. Woo! So this video is going to be my Ipsy Unbagging for the month of September. And I'm just going to update you on a couple other things like I did in my BoxyCharm unboxing. Oh my god, I'm losing my voice. Like I did in my BoxyCharm unboxing. So again, if you do not follow me on Instagram and Twitter, I think that you should. My Instagram is Rochelle_XOX and my Twitter is XOX_Shell. I always forget that, which is the same as my channel, so I don't know why I do that. But yeah, so definitely follow me on there because I'm going to be doing a giveaway coming up, so that way, as long as you're subscribed and following, you'll definitely see it and be entered. So yeah, I'm also doing the Maxim magazine cover contest, so I'm going to link that down below. Definitely vote for me for that. And again, I'm going to be doing a separate video on that, so that way you guys get the rundown, but it's free and you can vote every day. So let's get right into the Ipsy Unbagging for September. About this cute little Ipsy bag that has eyelashes on it. As you can see, I'm obsessed with eyelashes. This bag is super cute for the month of September. So if you do not know what Ipsy is, definitely watch my other videos that are going to be linked up here. We're going to unbox this bag. As you can see, I already started. So this month's theme is, the question is who isn't going to let me? It's who's going to stop me. Pretty cool. Rebellious, you could say. So let's see. Cute stuff, very tiny. So we're gonna start with Hula Bronzer from Benefit. It's adorable, I must say. It's very, very cute. Very nice neutral bronzer, so I do recommend this if you want a neutral bronzer. I personally don't like the brand Benefit that much, so I mean, I don't really care for it, but it is a pretty good bronzer, I must say. So I'm not going to knock them on that. This is the Luna to Luna brand, and this is their translucent setting powder, which is called White Sand. I can hear it like shaking, so I think it must have broke. But yeah, it's like shaky. It's a translucent setting powder. It's nothing really too special. I mean, I like translucent setting powders. They keep you from being oily. You can set your concealer with them. It's nice. This brush is pretty nice. This is a Luxie brush. It is number 140. I like it because it's pointy. It's really good for like getting in here and getting your concealer on, and like maybe even like a slight contour highlight maybe if you wanted to. If you wanted to do that, why not? Then my two last favorite products. I feel like these go so quick, but like, I don't know. I just want to unbag them and show you what I got. Then we're using then I'm going to show you the Scone Tattooed Mini Waterproof Eyeliner. So I love waterproof eyeliner. These are the kind that I like to use. The one that I showed you in the BoxyCharm one where you dip it in the pot. Those are so much harder for me to use, but these are amazing. Then we have the Noya, a simple and awesome organic peppermint lip balm, which you know that I'm obsessed with my lip balm. So yes, I love, love, love this. I think that this is awesome. This Ipsy bag was pretty good. What was your favorite product out of my Ipsy bag, and what was your favorite product out of your Ipsy bag? Let me know down in the comments. Also, let me know what other Ipsys. Oh, the Ipsy Plus, I think it's called. That's coming out, and honestly, I feel like that would be a really good deal. It's kind of like BoxyCharm, so I mean, like if you're gonna get BoxyCharm or Ipsy Plus, I mean, I obviously have to try out Ipsy Plus first to see what I think, but I feel like that would be a really good deal to like do that instead of just Ipsy. But that's just me. What other subscription boxes? Like, I know there's a couple of them, so let me know what your favorite is, so that way I can see it and check it out as well. So yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to give me a thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button, and yeah, bye guys.